I'm going to do is a time warp. Time lapse is for things that are still and that are moving. Time warp is for things when you are moving. So I'm going to be moving because I am a human gimbal. So I'm going to put it on time warp. Just go the opposite way around that one.
So what's up guys, so I just wanted to show you guys this cool little trick I actually taught myself on accident. So when you're doing time warp, if you press the mode button, it'll go back into time warp, so you don't have to play around with the little touch screen in the back. Walk, normal mode, and then I'm going to press the button in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. What's up? It's a cool little trick that I taught myself on accident.